About to head out of the Tuskegee National Forest. We're heading over to a hillbilly mall. That should be interesting. Well, we made it to the hillbilly mall, which is just outside of the Tuskegee National Forest, which was the first thing on our list this morning. There's a time change here. They're in a different time zone, and I think we arrived pretty early. So we may go grab something to eat and then come back, because I definitely want to check this out. It looks pretty interesting. This is the Tuskegee Airmen National Historical Site. Since we are in Tuskegee, Alabama, got to come over here and take a look. Let's see, is that an exit? Oh no, that's the entrance. I'm going to turn around. Let me see, this is the end. Whoa! I don't know what kind of snake that is. Well, it looks like somebody killed it. Wow, those ants are doing a number on it. Destroy. Okay. Tuskegee Airmen National Historical Site. Let's see what we got over here. You wanted to shoot that snake, didn't you? So it says that this is the actual airfield that the Tuskegee Airmen trained on during World War II. These are the original buildings too. Well, we made it over to the Tuskegee Airmen Airfield, and we just found a security guard who said that we're early. So it seems to be the theme for the day. We could wait around for about 45 minutes to an hour for them to open, but we have a lot to see, so we're going to go ahead and push on. But it was nice to come by and take a look at this piece of history, you know, say we were here. But got anything to say, Dad?
Enjoying every minute of it.
All right, we're going.
This is cool. This really is neat.
We're going back to the hillbilly farm or mall to see if they're open. So we came back over here to the hillbilly mall, and it's still not open. We've hung out for about 30 to 40 minutes. Tried calling the contact information. Can't get anybody on the phone. The number just rings, so I'm not even sure if this place is still in operation. Fortunately, online, there's really not a whole lot of information about it. So we're gonna push on to the next spot. That's it. Where are we at? Well, we made it to Union Springs, Alabama, and there's this old log cabin here from, I believe it's from the 1800s. It's an old settler's cabin, an original settler's cabin. It took us a little bit to find it. It's kind of in this little park right here. Figured it would be worth a look. Looks like it's all boarded up. just pulled into Brundage, Alabama, a little town on our way down to the coast. Pulled into this weird little set of antique stores. Go in and take a look around. Something you'd see out of American Pickers. This place is huge. How many buildings do you have?
6 that are actually got stuff in them.
Okay. It's a beautiful piece of property.
I love where I live, that's for sure.
Oh, I bet. Wow, I bet these buildings are pretty old. How long have you been here?
We've been in business about 25 years.
Okay.
I like their signs. Yeah.
So we came across this primitive Baptist church. It looks like it's been closed. It's kind of odd right off the road the way it sits. Oh my gosh, it looks like the building is open. I guess we're gonna go and take a look around.
We are all gathered together. No, that's not sacrilege.
It's almost like they're tombs.
Mm-hmm.
You lift up, there's the grave.
Yep. Yeah, it's got the cement right on top, rather than being buried in the ground.
That's all cement on top.
Mm-hmm. Florida state line. Well, we made it all the way to Florida. Stopped to take a picture because we're a bunch of tourists. All right, I think we're about an hour from the coast in Point Washington State Park, where we're going to be camping. So, all right, we just made a, hold on a second. All right, we just made a pit stop for some ice and stuff like that. And right now we're heading to Point Washington State Park, right by the Gulf of Mexico in Florida. And we should be pretty close. I think it said we're about 35 minutes away. And we have enough time to set up camp and have a fire because it's still kind of early. We'll actually have some time to hang out tonight. My dad is going to get pulled over. I bet you that cop ran my dad's plate, thought he was retired military, stuff like that, and was like, you know what, I'm not even going to bother with this guy, just went around him. Point Washington State Forest public entrance. So this is Point Washington State Park. Right now we're going to look for a place to set up camp. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Ah, crap. Bunch of deep sand. Whoa! Almost went down, but I didn't. Oh. Freaking loose sand, whoa! Oh, I almost went down. Man, oh man, a Shevitz. That was close. Alright, so we think we know where we're going now. They don't really make it very easy to find it. They don't have any signs anywhere saying camping. Apparently there's 4 primitive sites. They're all brand new. And you have to look at an aerial map and they show you with an arrow where it's at. So then you have to kind of match that up to a navigational map like Google Maps or whatever, try to figure out where it is, because on their aerial map it is the topographical map. There's no road signs or anything. It just shows you this is where it is, located in this massive forest. So now we're gonna see if we can find it. Boom, 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 So we've gone into like 6 different places trying to figure out how to get into the trail. We finally found a place that has a map. We're losing light. It turns out the only way that you can get into the campsites is an 11-mile hike. Which would be a blast if we were prepared for that. But unfortunately, we're just not prepared for that kind of camping tonight, so we're going to go try to find some other arrangements for the evening. But tonight we're going to stay somewhere unknown. Tomorrow we're going to stay at a hotel in Biloxi, Mississippi, which is already reserved, and then Friday night and Saturday night we are camping. One's at a KOA, and then the other one is unknown, but it will be camping of some kind. So now we venture forth and try to find something for tonight. But we are right by the coast. You know, we made it to Florida. It's pretty nice. So we finally found a destination for the night. We actually found a hotel at the last minute. We got a really good deal on it. Right now we're just kind of going through all of our stuff. At least I'm going through all my stuff and kind of repacking everything. Just kind of getting it reorganized. And I'm also transferring all the files off the SD cards over to my laptop just to save some room for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a long day. We're going to cross a lot of bridges. We're going to see some old forts. Then we will be in a hotel again tomorrow night. So we'll have to suffer another night in air conditioning and beds. And then we have a couple nights of camping after that. So signing off. End of day 2. I brought my bag out to set it up on the bike, and my key was sitting here all night long.